So we're here at Fort Lee Plaza. And Baby Carter is on his way. So we're in the underground parking area of Soup Dumpling Plus, Fort Lee, New Jersey. So we're gonna take Carter out for his first soup dumpling, May 28th, 21, and it's cold out for me. And all right, so we're taking Baby Carter for his first soup dumpling. His first soup dumpling. Does it work? Not bad. My mask is not right, isn't it? No? What's wrong with it? Oh, I should put it on my chin. So we're at Soup Dumpling, and I got on my mask, but I've already had my vaccine. All right, that's good. Thank you. So this is our order. 5 dumplings, 5 orders of dumplings. 5 orders. Baby Carter is gonna have his first dumpling.
Yeah, give my mom. Julia, would you like a grapefruit?
Sure, have a beer. You're not driving. Small, hot, and sour soup.
I think they tried to use this.
There's a new waiter right there. All right. Get the soup dumpling.
That's probably the same.
There you go, Carter. So, we've just enjoyed all these dumplings. So you gotta finish up the Wuhan sauce. Try it. This looks like the mall in Toronto. That's not gonna help you. That stick is not gonna help you. The virus is
faster.
It will probably. The virus is in the air. It's probably all in this elevator.
That thing actually kills you.
All right, we're leaving Fort Lee Plaza.